So June of 2022 last year and June of 2023 this year, I'm in Medford, Oregon, loving Oregon, and found this waterfall. Bree of TGIF, since you like chasing waterfalls, I wanted to ask you, have you ever slept under a waterfall? Yeah, wouldn't that be crazy, right? Well, here in Medford, Oregon, isn't it ironic that I slept in this same waterfall twice? Yeah, I got the same room and the same room number. That's crazy. Here in Medford, Oregon, I slept under the waterfalls. just a little joke. Anyway, thanks for watching.